An impact of India Today reports Chief Minister of Haryana has responded as well, and on the Gurugram specifically with regard to the waterlogging that leads to massive inconvenience not just to those on the streets driving, but also if you're just inside your house, because this water, remember, entering into people's houses as well, and considering real estate prices have been soaring so high, what is the administration doing about it? Listen in now to the Chief Minister of Haryana, Naib Singh Seth.
राष्ट्रीय मानकों के ऊपर ले जाने का काम हम कर रहे हैं। गति से हमारे अधिकारी भी लगे हुए हैं। बरसात के समय के अंदर जब भारी बरसात आ जाती है, अब अमेरिका तो ये कह रहा, कहा जी मैं सबसे पावरफुल वो हूँ देश, कि वहाँ बरसात पड़ी है, कैलिफोर्निया सिटी मकान तक बह गए। तो जब इतना बरसात आती है तो उसके आगे कोई प्रकृति के आगे नहीं कोई ठहर सकता। तो हमें भी उस बात को समझना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है कि जब ज्यादा बरसात आ गई तो ज्यादा बरसात तो नुकसानदेही तो होगी, परंतु व्यवस्था हम ठीक करें।
सर, यहाँ का जो सिस्टम यानी सीवरेज और ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है वो इतना डाउन का नहीं था कि उसका पानी वो ग्रेविटी से जा सके। उस पानी को पावर आउट किया जाता है। तो पावर आउट करने के लिए जमीन जब वर्षा आती है, भारी वर्षा आती है, तो उसमें समय लगता है। उसमें घंटा लगे, 1.5 लगे, 2 लगे, और ये गुरुग्राम के लोगों को पता भी है। केवल जिन लोगों को आलोचना करनी होती है वो आपके सामने आते हैं। 12 सीएम यानी 1 फुट पानी 1 घंटे के अंदर आएगा और सब तरफ से इकट्ठा होकर आएगा। लो लाइंग एरिया उसमें रहेगा, जाएगा तो उसको जल्दी निकालना ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का काम है। और मुझे लगता है 1-1.5 घंटे से ज्यादा पानी रुकता नहीं।
State of affairs really, one an incumbent chief minister, one a former chief minister, and it appears both are either mentioning what can be done, but importantly shifting blame to other cities. I want to now bring in Preeti Chaudhary, because she was bringing us this report just last week and we are trying to get a follow-up on this. Preeti, I wonder if the comparison to California would be fair as the Chief Minister is making. What do you make of this city? What is it about Gurugram that was being hoisted as this top millennium city is clearly sinking right now?
There are multiple issues, Pooja. Firstly, you have the Chief Minister of a state who goes on and says that it happens in America as well. I think he also seemingly has forgotten that he holds portfolios for urban development, yes, town planning, and these portfolios are with nobody else but Mr. Saini himself. So this is classic passing the buck where it comes down to authority. Secondly, what are the main issues? When you are going to suggest that it happens in other countries like America as well, what are you telling the people of Gurgaon? Constantly they have fought against this very mindset, which is passing the buck. Number one, the biggest issue with the city of Gurgaon is that it is governed municipally by not one but 4 agencies. You have the MCG, you have the MCM, you have the GMDA, you have Huda. All of them just constantly keep passing the buck from one agency to the other and caught as collateral. In midst of all of that are the residents of the city of Gurgaon. I'll give you an example. In terms of just the number of crore of rupees, over 500 crore rupees just for maintenance, just for civic infrastructure. And this is not for new new installations, just repair and garbage and civic infrastructure, maintenance of that. 500 crores is the budget for Gurgaon city, which is quite a bit. Having said that, does this budget even get utilized? Absolutely not. Are there any answers? You go to the MCM, the buck is passed to Huda. You go to Huda, the buck is passed to the to the Gurgaon, to the municipal Gurgaon authority. So, in midst of all of that, that's all that they do. So ultimately, who's collateral? The people of Gurgaon. You and I both know the prices of it, and I'll give you an example. Just last week, one liquor vend on the golf course road in Gurgaon was sold for 98 crore rupees. You and I both know, in terms of retail space, in terms of residential space, yes, the highest pricing points come in from Gurgaon, where a penthouse on golf course road right now actually retails for not less than 140 crores.
Wow.
So if that is the kind of money people are paying, where is the civic infrastructure to support any of that?
And right outside there is
exactly
a waterlogged street.
Exactly. You live in your little cocoons of luxury, but you step out, mind my language, but in your own shit because sewage is running over. And it's not just about, the people who live in these posh high rises,
Yes.
if I can use that word. It's about the common man. People have died, in this downpour. So for the authorities, the chief ministers to say that something like this happens in California and we are doing what we can is, I would reckon a little nonchalant for him to use that kind of language. In this very
Yes.
downpour, people have lost their lives because of open drainage. People have lost their lives because of live wires. Gurgaon is an urban
Preeti, the
mess
irony
right now.
here for me is that Gurugram actually was being promoted as California or specifically LA as cities, only not this way, not in this manner. But it appears the Chief Minister has accepted it's waterlogging that primarily where Gurugram looks like California. Thank you very much, Preeti Chaudhary, with all the latest and updates and a perspective on that as well.